Welcome. And before you begin to start making your journey, learning something new that's going to change your whole life, I would like you to think for a moment, or perhaps even get a pen or pencil and a writing pad just to write some ideas down as they come to you. Because you have come here to learn something new that will change your life. So it's important to know where you are going. When you go out in the morning, out the front door of your home, you have a destination in mind. And just like that here, it's important that you have a destination in mind so that you get there and be able to look back and see what life has changed from to where you are then. So I'd like you to use your imagination in some way, because you've been doing this already, using your imagination, hoping to be a certain way. So what I want you to do is use your imagination now and think of how life will be in 3 months or 6 months' time after you have made these changes by using the techniques I'm teaching you here today. Just think of what life would be like in 6 or 3 months' time. What changes will have happened for you? Those changes you have come here for. The reasons you're going to engage completely in all the lessons here. You're going to engage in this full session here with me in my therapy room. And you're going to use what you need to of it on a regular basis to make those changes. So allow your mind to drift 3 or 6 months into the future. And just see what life is like then. Perhaps friends or family are saying something to you about the changes they notice within you. Or perhaps things have changed so dramatically in your life in the future because of these changes. Only you know how these changes will benefit and affect your life. And also notice who may not be so happy about you making those changes. Because sometimes people who are close to us are not happy when we actually change, even if it is for the better. So just notice what your life is like in 3 or 6 months' time. Where are you? Notice the people around you. Hear all the good things that are being said. And notice how you hear all the good things being said. How good that makes you feel. And from 3 or 6 months' time, just look back and notice how easy those changes were to make by perhaps just changing one feeling inside. Allowed you to make small or large steps towards the life you're living now in the future. Just like many other people have done before. And now, as you think about that, and I come to the end of my introduction to you about looking at life, of how it will change for you. Once this recording is stopped, write down in great detail how your life will look in 3 or 6 months' time, so that you know exactly where you are going by taking part and engaging in this session here with me.